we know all your orders, and because we know all your orders, if somebody skips an inspection, now you don't have to worry about, well, I think I got all my inspection reports. They said they gave them all to me. I'm not really sure. They drop them in an email file. I think I have them. Now you say, no, I gave you 87 purchase orders and I only see 85 inspection reports. These two have not been inspected. Why haven't they been inspected? So instead of looking through a needle in a haystack, you literally just look for the voids. Transparency is our newest solution. We're working with corporate social responsibility, social audits. So we actually do a full audit suite. We can do it at tiers, assemblies, finishers, mills, tier 3s, any of them. We come out and we work with all major third parties. They use the system on their phone or on their tablet. It's an app, as I mentioned. So they do it, and the minute they upload the data that they saw, it's immediately visible to the factory as well as the brand, right? So again, it's not about, well, you're hiding this or I'm hiding that. It's like, let's just put it out on the table and get to a faster partnership. Okay, you guys have some challenges. What's the timing that it's gonna take you to fix those challenges? We need to move forward. We work with RAP, we work with CTPAT, which is Customs and Trade Partners Against Terrorism. We also do product-based supply chain, which is capabilities. And one of my bosses a long time ago said, you never put oranges in an apple factory, right? So you want to know that the factory has the right machinery. If you're doing smocking, shearing, fast fashion, if you're doing leather, if you're doing blazers, or you're doing chinos, t-shirts, can they do it? And the last one that we've had since 2019 is our trace solution. And that is the collaboration on multi-tier. This is the tier 1 to tier X traceability. This is full supplier collaboration with BOM management. So again, it goes back to knowing the fiber content, knowing your bill of materials, knowing your product, having your certificates at all tier levels, so that if you are approached by a government facility, you push a button and it prints out multiple reports and you go, here you go, sir. Here are these reports that you've asked for. So it goes through custom documentations, it looks at sustainability, and it also goes through calculations of recycled content in your fibers. Yes, ma'am.
At what point for a company does it make sense to use you guys? Like if I'm somebody that is getting minimum order, if I'm someone getting like the minimum order from a factory twice a year, does it make sense? Or do I need to be getting something from a factory every week for it to make sense?
So the reason why I think our solution is the best, which is also why I left my quality gigs and came here, is because we do it at the purchase order level. So it doesn't matter. Whereas a lot of our competitors in the space, they do it at your facility level, and a lot of them only validate this facility 2 times a year. And everybody knows that seasonally we might change. You might go from a spring summer product to a fall winter. You might decide to use a different component, a different material. And so that would put you at that risk of the customs, right? So the way our platform works is right at the purchase order. So you order once a year, you order twice a year, or you order 4 times a week. All of it is the same. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Joanne, I'm going to ask you a question that got asked of me on a panel discussion yesterday. How do you define traceability? Because it's one of those words that comes up a lot, and we got a bunch of different definitions when we debated it yesterday. What does it mean to you?
I think I would say that traceability allows me insight into the origin of the materials and the components I'm using.